Hello po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Judy Ann Santos. Today only, I have a special treat for you, 50% off on the chocolate candy that my family and I personally enjoy every single day. From 1,599, ngayon 499 na lang at yes, buy one, take one pa. Grabe, ang saya ko po kasi mahigit 10 million customers na ang nagtitiwala sa produktong to. Bakit? Dahil ito ay 100% legit, imported from Russia, at ako mismo ang gumagamit sa bahay kaya tiwala ako sa quality. Each pack is 500 grams, filled with a variety of handcrafted chocolates in different flavors so you can try something new with every bite. Some are sweet, some a little bitter, but all melt in your mouth delicious, hindi nakakaumay. These chocolates are made with 100% pure cacao, cold-pressed cocoa butter, fresh milk with no preservatives, and natural cane sugar kaya safe sa health. What I really love is that they're rich in antioxidants, good for your heart, help boost your mood, and give you energy throughout the day. Each piece is carefully handmade, truly a premium experience you deserve or perfect as a gift. Ulitin ko po, 499 na lang at pwede nyo pong i-check bago bayaran. Order na po habang may promo. Ako po si Judy Ann Santos at ito ang chocolate candy na subok ko na, garantisado para sa inyo.